In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these amazing nostalgic old shop ASMR review videos. These videos give people a strong feeling of nostalgia, and many viewers really enjoy watching them. So first, go to Claude AI, paste this master prompt. Claude will then ask you which country's old products you want to review. Choose any country. Then it will ask you which era you want to recreate. Choose any era. After that, it will give you 10 unique ideas. Choose any one. After that, select the duration of your video. And here's one important thing. Choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. For example, I'm making a short, so I'm using 9:16. After that, Claude will give you two scenes. In scene 1, you'll get both an image prompt and a video prompt, and in scene 2, you'll get only a video prompt. Now, you might be wondering, how do we generate the second part using the same image while keeping the video consistent and smooth? For that, don't skip the video generation part. First, copy the image prompt from scene 1. Then, go to Flow AI and paste the prompt here. Select these settings for image generation. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model. After a few seconds, your image will be generated. Now, go back to Claude. From scene 1, copy the video prompt, then come back to Flow AI. Click the three dots on the image and select Add to Prompt. Now, paste the video prompt here. Select these settings for video generation. Choose Omni Flash as the model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Now, generate your first video. Once the video is generated, click on it and go to the last frame. Then, click Save Frame. Now, the last frame of your first video is saved. Next, go back to Claude and copy the Scene 2 video prompt. Come back to Flow AI, click the three dots, select Add to Prompt, and paste the Scene 2 video prompt. Then hit Enter. Once the second video is generated, download both videos. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.